I got something new in the mail. Let's go unbox it. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to unbox the Creality Sonic PAd. We're going to open this up, we're going to take a look at what's inside of the box, kind of talk about what this is going to improve, because this is using Clipper and different things to hopefully speed up our printing process and make it better. And it's also kind of just one of those cool tools that Creality has started putting out. And I just want to check it out with you guys, because I really don't know a whole lot about it either. And we're going to learn about this one together. So, huzzah! So what we're going to do today, we're going to get it out of the box. We're going to take a look at it and see what we need to do to set it up, maybe do the initial setup, and kind of give my first glimpse opinions. Then, in another video, we'll actually recap this and see and give my opinion of what I think of it after it's been used. So, with that, if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like the content we're putting out, and if this is kind of stuff that you want to see. Also, any 3D printing questions, leave them down in the comments down below. Let's head over to the desk and get this out of the box. Alright guys, you can see we've got the box. Let's get this open and let's take a look at what we've got on this Creality Sonic PAd. Oh, the fun things. We've got the stickers. Yes, stickers. We got the quality certified bit, and now we can take a look at what's in the box. All right. So, this is the Sonic PAd itself. Nice, clean looking. Nice, heavy, good feel to it. Take a look here. We got kickstands that we can put out so it can stay up. That's looking pretty good in my opinion. All right. Dig around in here. The all-important manual. Then we've got all the cables. All right, so like I said, guys, the plan is to hook this up to my Ender 3 S1 Pro. That will definitely be in the next video, but we're going to get this guy out and take a look at what's going on. So that is obviously an XYZ sensor, which is the serial cable. We've got the USB micro connector, and we've got the power. And with that micro connector, I'm noticing that there is the adapters for USB-C and the other USB connections, so we can put that on our other printers. We've got a Nextech thumb drive for software, and we've got some screws. So, and then we've got a very nice power adapter. I need the US plug, which is this guy, which I will click in place. All right. So overall, my first impression of this is well built. It looks nice. It's very clean looking. Now, of course, I'll have to get it up there and on a printer to really kind of know how this is going to work. But unfortunately for today, we're just getting this out of the box. There'll be a second video of me actually using this. So we're going to plug in power. I like that it has its own LAN connector. We have a camera and a USB port. And then you got the serial sensor port. Ooh, pretty. So we'll let that load. These guys I don't need here, so we'll get them out of the way. And we're going to do kind of the initial setup. We're going to set up English. We're going to just do that. I got to wait 5 seconds. Next step, I'm going to choose my region, which is America. I'm going to go with America, New York, because I'm Eastern time zone. And we're going to set up my internet. I'm going to take that out of view while I enter in my password. All right, so now we're adding in our Wi-Fi settings. Connected successfully, awesome. We're gonna go to the next step. I'm just gonna leave it as the Sonic PAd for now. And we're gonna choose our printer. Now I'm adding in the Ender 3 S1 Pro. Now the interesting thing is there's two S1 Pros. I'm assuming it is that one, because mine is a fairly later model. So we'll choose that. Please insert the card reader. Oh, I just noticed the two USB ports on the side. And we're going to flash. There we go. All right, so now I'm ready to take this up to the printer and get started. So initial setup is pretty easy. We can get moving pretty quickly. It does look like a really nice device, and we are gonna have to try this out. My first impressions though, very well built. I like the power options. I'll take this up to the printer and complete the setup, guys, but this is just the first glimpse of this device. So it uses Clipper. It's supposed to improve my printing capability, speed, and just control. So I'm really kind of hopeful for that. And yeah, we're gonna get it up there and get it played with. So if you guys enjoyed this content and taking a deep, just kind of cosmetic look at the Creality Sonic PAd, definitely let me know down in the comments down below. And we will also be kind of taking a look at the how it runs on the Ender 3 S1 Pro. But we'll do a full second video on that here in a couple weeks after I've had some time to try it out. But I just got it. I wanted to get it out of the box and get it out here and show you guys that we're going to start kind of experimenting with some new stuff. It will go into my LAN network as well once it's up in the shop. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. We will see you guys next week in the next video. All right, guys, so we got it out of the box. We looked at it. Now it's time to go to work with it. And I'm going to use this on the Ender 3 S1 Pro that I've got upstairs. I'm going to get it hooked up. If you guys want detailed instructions on how to connect it and do the initial setup on your printer, definitely let me know down in the comments down below. And we'll recap this video in a few weeks to see if this is worth the purchase. Because this does run about $170 in the US. And that's a pretty steep price. That's a 3D printer, to be honest with you. But if it does give that better control and it speeds up and enhances printing like it says, might really be worth the money. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss when we recap this, and also hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you like the video and like what we're seeing, and also questions down in the comments down below. So thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.